Wasting hours creating motion graphics in Adobe Premiere Pro or spending weeks learning After Effects is officially becoming outdated, because now you can turn Gemini, Claude, or even Codex into a professional motion graphics designer. And the animation you're watching right now was generated almost entirely using AI. Sounds impossible? That's exactly what I thought, until I tested it myself, and honestly, the results shocked me. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how I turned a simple AI agent into a motion graphics machine, how it creates animations from plain English, and why this could completely change video editing forever. Let's dive in. Open a terminal inside an empty folder, then type Gemini to open Gemini. Actually, you can use Gemini, Codex, Claude, or any AI coding agent you prefer. If you don't have it installed yet, just search for Gemini CLI on Google. You can find the installation command on the official website, and don't worry, you can use these AI agents on both Windows and Mac OS. The installation process is a little different, but everything else works exactly the same. Once your agent is ready, search for Hype Frames on Google. You should find its GitHub repository. Copy that repository URL, then search for Video Use, and copy the URL of that GitHub repository as well. Now paste both URLs into your AI agent and enter this prompt. The agent will download those GitHub repositories and automatically create the environment needed to generate motion graphics videos. After a few minutes, we're ready to generate our first AI motion graphics video. For this, I'm going to provide a transcript with timestamps. This helps the agent understand exactly when to create animations and motion graphics for specific moments in the voiceover. We can easily get a timestamped transcript using Final Cut Pro. Actually, you don't have to use Final Cut Pro. There are plenty of online tools that can generate transcripts if you search on Google. But if you have Final Cut Pro, the process is very simple. Just trim the section you want to create motion graphics for. Then use this option to generate caption. Select the captions that were generated, right-click on them, and convert them to SRT. After that, export the captions file. I'm going to export this file into that folder. Now I'm going to add some assets, background videos, images, and sound effects to the same folder so the agent can use them while generating the video. Then I'll simply describe what I want in plain English. I'll also point the agent to the asset folders I prepared, and that's pretty much it. The agent will handle the rest. The first generation can take some time, but after a few minutes the video is ready. Let me copy the generated video and place it into my timeline. Wasting hours creating motion graphics in Adobe Premiere Pro or spending weeks learning After Effects is officially becoming outdated, because now you can turn Gemini, Claude, or even Codex into a professional motion graphics designer.